If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, click on subscribe button and hit all bell icon to get notification on channel updates. Hello viewers, welcome to Homestyle Fusion. Today's recipe is Pudina Pulao. You can prepare this for lunchbox and is a good choice of meal when guests are at home. Let us see how to prepare. Take 2 cups of rice. I am using normal Sona Masuri rice here. You can take any rice, parboiled rice or basmati rice as you like. Clean the rice well for 2 or 3 times. Add water till the rice is immersed and soak it for about 30 to 45 minutes. Now let us prepare the masala paste. Add 1 cup of pudina which are already cleaned, 3/4 cup or handful of coriander leaves, 2 chopped onions, 4 to 5 green chilies, 1 chopped tomato, chopped ginger, 10 garlic cloves, few coconut pieces, spices, cloves, cardamom and cinnamon. Grind them into fine paste. Add little water while grinding. Now let us start preparing pulao. Add required amount of oil, say 4 to 5 tablespoons, 1 spoon of ghee. Add spices after oil is heated up. Add thin sliced onions. Fry till it turns to golden brown color. Now add thin sliced tomatoes. Keep in medium flame and fry till it becomes mushy. Now in goes our masala paste. Keep frying for 5 minutes till the raw flavor goes off. Keep in medium flame only. After the paste becomes little thick, add half spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, half spoon of chili powder, salt for the masala paste, 1 spoon of garam masala powder and fry for 2 minutes. Add 1 cup of chopped beans. You can also add green peas, also called matar, along with the beans. Fry for 2 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of curd and just fry for half minute. Now keep the flame low and add soaked rice slowly. Do not drain this soaked water. We'll use it later for boiling rice. Gently stir it for only 15 to 20 seconds. Do not over fry it. This is to get masala well coated with the rice. Now add required amount of water based on rice you are using. Generally for 1 cup of rice you need 2 cups of water. Since we are preparing in pressure cooker, for pulaus or biryanis, you need to reduce water quantity to avoid rice to overcook and to get perfect texture. As I took 2 cups of rice, I added 3 and 1/4 cup of water. If you are using basmati rice, take 1 cup of water for 1 cup of rice. Adding exact amount of water matters a lot, so please be little careful while adding water. Add crystal salt as per your taste. Stir gently. Now keep the flame high and bring it to boil. You can taste and add salt if required. Now close the lid and cook for 1 whistle in high flame. Now keep the flame low and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. And turn off the flame now. Wait till the pressure goes off completely and remove the lid. Nice aroma. Stir gently. Pudina pulav is ready now. Serve this to your family with raita and enjoy.